In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use iPad as a monitor for Raspberry Pi 5. Using an iPad as a monitor for the Raspberry Pi 5 and controlling it via VNC Viewer is a powerful and flexible setup, perfect for those who value portability and convenience. Here's how you can set it up. Download and install the VNC Viewer app from the App Store on your iPad. Open the app and enter the IP address of your Raspberry Pi in the Add Connection field. Launch VNC Viewer on your iPad and connect to your Raspberry Pi using the IP address. When prompted to enter the VNC password, which you set during the VNC configuration on your Raspberry Pi. Once connected, your iPad will mirror the Raspberry Pi's desktop, allowing you to interact with it using touch controls. Few things you must do before applying the method. First, ensure your Raspberry Pi 5 is set up with the latest version of Raspberry Pi OS. Connect it to your home network via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Enable VNC on your Raspberry Pi by navigating to Preferences, Raspberry Pi Configuration, Interfaces tab, and then select Enable next to VNC. To enhance usability, consider using a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse with your iPad for easier navigation and input. This setup transforms your iPad into a fully functional monitor and control interface for the Raspberry Pi 5. It's great for on-the-go coding, remote administration, or simply enjoying the versatility of your Raspberry Pi without needing a dedicated monitor. With the iPad's high-resolution display and the Raspberry Pi's power, you can seamlessly perform tasks such as coding, browsing, and even light media consumption. Moreover, this setup is perfect for educational purposes, allowing students and hobbyists to experiment with Raspberry Pi projects without needing additional hardware. You can also carry out remote troubleshooting and maintenance with ease, making it a practical solution for on-the-go tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.